in this presentation we will understand how can you solve quadratic equation when it is given in vertex form. So this is in vertex form and I want to find its roots. It's really very simple. First of all, I have to take this value to the other side of equation. For that I will add 12 here and I will add 12 here. This will be like this: 3x minus 3 whole square, 12 cancelled, is equals to 12. Now I have to remove this value. So what I will do, I will divide both the sides by 3. So divided by 3, divided by 3, 3 cancelled. This will be x minus 3 whole square is equals to 4. Now I want to remove this square. So to remove the square, I will do square root here, square root here. This square root and this square will be cancelled. So x minus 3 is equals to square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. Why plus or minus 2? Because minus 2 times minus 2 is also plus 4 and 2 times 2 is also plus 4. So now I will take x minus 3 is equals to minus 2, x minus 3 is equals to plus 2. I will add 3 here, I will add 3 here to solve this. X is equals to plus 1, minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 and this is cancelled. And same way I will add 3 here, these 2 will be cancelled, x is equals to 5 and that's it, done. Let's see one more example. I will again follow the same steps. I will take minus 4 to the another side, so I will add 4, I will add 4. Now I have 2 into bracket x minus 1 whole square is equals to 4. Now I will divide both the sides by 2, so divide by 2, divide by 2, 2 cancelled. This will be x minus 1 whole square is equals to 2. Now I will do square root both the sides, so this will be square root. Now this is x minus 1 is equals to plus or minus. What is the square root of 2? So we will keep it as it is. If it is 16, then we can say 4. If it is 4, then we can say 2. But here decimal value, so we will keep it as it is. Root 2 is the square root of 2. This will be x minus 1 is equals to plus root 2 and x minus 1 is equals to minus root 2. This will be x is equals to root 2 plus 1. Why? I added plus 1 both the sides. And same thing here. This will be x is equals to minus root 2 plus 1. You can rewrite this if you want in simpler form. X is equals to 1 plus root 2 and here x is equals to 1 minus root 2. But this is not compulsory, but you can write in this form if you want. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.